Move ahead. We always strive to move forward and never stop walking. We are born in the tide of the times and chasing dreams in the struggle. Aim for the highest and forge ahead. Xiangde Electromechanical's journey has never stopped since its birth in 2009. We started at the foot of the majestic Mount Tai, from the rich black soil in the north to the southwest border of the motherland. Go through the ancient Yuzi ancestral site and the cold northern ice field, all over the vast expanse that is isolated by mountains and ocean's land. In almost every place which is related to mining, you can see the figure of Xiangde. Whatever above or underground, or in the corners that visible or invisible, we always make efforts to behave our own value. Just like the freeman who can move easily in the crevices which are difficult to handle regularly, and make the dust and gas become more gentle underground. We become extremely dexterous because of sophisticated commissioning and modern operation. Thousands of simulations have built our strong bodies, enabling us to cope with various extreme environments and complete tasks that were once daunting one by one. From the beginning of a single product development, today's hundreds of professional customized solutions. From the initial single production line, expanded to R&D, production, assembly in one of the ecological closed-loop industry chain. We continue to forge ahead and never give up. We have built a bridge of responsibility with sincere and enthusiastic service. We have won more trust with efficient and professional execution. The next step for us is open up tomorrow and forge ahead. The desire of the heart drives us to keep moving forward. We have been searching and seeking an answer that can make enterprises more efficient production. Therefore, we join hands with better partners to go all out for the common dreams, gather wisdom and creativity, in order to lead safe and efficient production methods closely. We finally understand that the answer is not to seek, but to create. Cut through the obstacles, get down to earth, break down barriers, go against the wind. It's a pleasant sight, but we won't stop chasing dreams forever. For the sake of the land we love, for the sake of the industry we revere. Be humble and always persevere. Put innovation into practice and cast fine products with ingenuity. To provide first-class intelligent drilling rigs and supporting services for the development of mining industry. To achieve what customers want and to meet the needs of employees. Where there is a will, there is a way. We are standing at a new historical starting point now, and it's time to resonate with the development of the country and closely connected with the pulse of the times. Keep up with the national strategy. Respond to the call of the country. Continue to uphold the spirit of innovation and constantly improve the technical level with more excellent products and services to contribute more to the construction and development of the country towards the goal of becoming a world-renowned and sustainable drilling rig production and service provider We will make unremitting efforts to aim high and forge ahead.